Betway Premiership finale. We talk football, say Orlando Pirates 2, Orbit College 0. Orlando Pirates are the champions. My brother Mkwena, what's your opinion?
Baba, we've been waiting for this day namhlanje.
Yes.
14 years.
14 years.
14 years.
Yeah.
Umntwana uyafunda namhlanje.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying kuwe ukuthi sinqobile namhlanje.
Noma kanjani.
Noma kanjani.
Yeah.
Yabona le game day namhlanje.
Yes.
Akusi game yabadlali banamhlanje.
Yeah.
Old players.
Yes.
Now the current players.
Yes.
We say salute.
Yes.
This is Soweto. This is one of the biggest three.
Yeah. They all contributed.
The trees of Soweto, which is South Swallows, Pirates, now Kaizer Chiefs, sithi sinqobile namhlanje. Asayindawo asaye ePitori siphelela la eSoweto.
Yes. Yes.
Away!
Away! Manje yini imfihlo yenu njengoba ninqobile nje niyamabhakaniya?
Imfihlo
Yeah.
ukuthi silalele ucoach.
Yes.
Everything will go accordingly.
Yes.
Masingasilalela thina, singadlali football yethu.
Yeah.
Hayi sodliwa impela.
Yeah.
Ubonile iDurban City yenzeni?
Bonile.
Fundile ku Durban City.
Igcwele iOrlando.
Besithe soyishaya
Yeah.
kanti soyidrawa nayo.
Yeah.
Bathi sifundile.
Namhlanje kwenzeki lokho.
Hayi, futhi asikoranga bayikorele bona ngoba ipressure benzile.
Ibinzima.
Siyabonga.
Hayi siyabonga.
Awuzwa-ke.
We talk football SA.
Danko.